Hey guys, this weekend I'm going to be trying the DJI Action 5 Pro camera. This will be my first time using a DJI camera, as my last camera died on me when we re-recorded the Christmas market videos last December. I won't get into the specs on this video, as literally thousands of reviews with specs were posted in the last few days. What I am going to do is give honest feedback from an impartial user that is in need of the core functionality. Since the majority of the videos we post have been walking videos from around the world, the Action camera is a vital piece of equipment that is easy to travel with, set up on my gimbal, and head into whatever town we are in. So, how does the Action 5 fit into my existing setup? I am happy that the Action 5 fits my existing gimbal, which saves me from having to buy the Adventure combo. It is a little thicker than my old camera, but it still fits. I am disappointed, however, that the camera did not come with a lens cap. I am sure that the lens is scratch resistant, but even with that, scratches and damages may still occur. Also, I don't have the DJI Mic 2, which integrates with the Action 5 via Bluetooth, nor do I want to spend $350 on it. However, the USB-C cover gets in the way of my wireless transmitter, so I would either need to purchase it or get a USB-C extender to hook up to my existing wireless lav mics. The camera has internal memory with the ability to extend using a micro SD card. This will come in handy so that if I ever leave my SD card in my card reader, I can use the internal memory. But I would never do that, right? Now let's go try this out. So it's about 7:20-ish. It's starting to get a little dark, so it's a good chance to see how this thing works in some of the lower light. Looking through the screen, it looks pretty darn good. Looking through my camera, my phone camera, it's like the sky's all blown out, but through the Action camera, the sky's actually blue. Right now, I don't have any type of stabilization because I'm using the gimbal, but I do see a little rock, probably because the camera's a little bit bigger for my gimbal than it's supposed to be. It's probably a little too heavy. It's still doing the things it needs to do, but it is a little bit of a shake when I step. So I'm going to switch to stabilization. Now I have the gimbal working with the stabilization. So I am walking with the video handheld in night mode, testing out the illumination. It's about 6:30 in the morning. Seeing how this picks up the nighttime. Right here, there is no street light. I am not exactly sure what the science of night mode is, but I imagine it's just an increased ISO. What I noticed in night mode is when I was in darker areas, the picture got really noisy, as you would expect in still photography with high ISOs. However, the images were still quite good considering my S23 Ultra, which is a very good camera, could not keep focus in the same light. The DJI also brought out the colors in the sky, which gave a better representation of what my eyes were seeing. The Action 5 Pro has a dedicated slow motion option that plays back in slow motion. You can record at 120 frames per second in 1080p through to 4K, as well as 240 frames per second in 1080p, which is 8 times slow motion. When outside, I had no issues with slow motion. However, when I tried it inside, In addition to image noise from what I suspect is the increased ISO, I got flickering like you may get with lighting in Europe. I did get the diver combo, but only got to test it in a pool. I was blown away by the images. I don't know what I was expecting, but what I got made me say wow. Overall, I was very impressed with what I got. In some cases, not many, but some, the images looked a bit too saturated from what my eyes were seeing in the sunlight. But in low light, the image was more representative of what I can see with my own eyes. I did not use Rocksteady Plus, but Rocksteady combined with my gimbal did an excellent job. Rocksteady also did well when using it handheld walking in low light.